The best way to get started in Kami is to create an account and sign in. First, go to Kami and create an account using your school email address or single sign-on with either Google or Microsoft. We recommend you download the Kami extension for Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. If you use Google Classroom, Canvas, or Schoology, you'll need the Kami extension installed to enjoy the full benefits of Kami's seamless assignment workflow. When using the Kami extension with either of these learning management systems, you'll be able to create assignments, push them out to your students, receive submissions, provide feedback, and grade using Kami in all the same place. If you don't use a learning management system that we integrate with, you can always access the Kami web app with the same link you used to create your account. Now, to install the extension, simply head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Kami, and then Add to Chrome. Once that's installed, you should be able to see the K icon here in your browser's extension bar. Simply click on it whenever you want to launch Kami. If you're a Microsoft user, you can install the Kami extension from the Microsoft Edge add-ons. Search for Kami, get options, and you're all set.